Hello everyone, and welcome to class. Today, I would like to walk you through some features of Canvas and help you to navigate through your first module, the orientation module. Doing online work can be scary, especially if this is your first time. I want you to know that I was once there and I can understand your frustration. I hope that this video will help you save some time as you begin to learn about the features of our site, as well as nexting and accessing links. By the end of this video, I believe you'll be comfortable to know how to get started with the coursework. So let's begin. If you look on the sidebar of our screen, you'll see several features. There is a syllabus, announcements, assignments, discussions, quizzes, grades, and modules. Let's click on these features and explore what they mean. If you click on the syllabus, you can access the syllabus here. Check my other video to find out what is most important. Check back at the syllabus if you want to understand what we generally are covering on any week. We'll generally give an announcement at least one time a week to help you understand what will be covered. Although I may communicate more than once a week, I make the commitment to be in touch with you at least on a weekly basis to help you understand what is required of you. So if we click on announcements, you can click on the latest announcement here, and you can read any instructions that I give you, including clicking on links that I have provided to help you to further access your assignments better. Clicking on assignments, you will see the assignments that you will need to do next. You'll see the last one over there at the top. And if you scroll down, you'll see some of the overdue assignments, as well as assignments that will be due near the bottom. And it will be different according to how you organize your assignments. But if you click on the latest one, you can be able to access that, and that will help you to know what to do for that assignment. I will talk about discussions in another video, so please look for it in your orientation module. In the meantime, you'll need to take quizzes in the course. Go to quizzes and click on the quiz that is assigned to you. You will want to take the quiz before the due date to have access to it and to get a score. Make sure that you communicate to me ahead of time if you plan to miss the due date of the quiz. Your grades. When you click here, you'll see a list of all your graded assignments. You can put in sample scores to help you understand what your grade might look like. Monitor your grades and ask me questions from time to time so that you can pass this course comfortably. Well, I haven't turned in the assignment. What if I get a 20 on the assignment? Will I pass the course? I notice my score goes down. Maybe I need to do better. Okay. So use this as a way to evaluate yourself as you are going along, and I believe that that will help you to stay on track in this class. Finally, we can go ahead and get onto modules. So we click again on modules, and that will take us to this page where we see modules and the orientation module. Here is where you will be doing most of your coursework. I will be building modules as we go and updating the course regularly, so please begin learning in order. To get through your orientation module, you can start by clicking on the orientation overview. This will help you to understand the objectives of the module. Once you have read everything, make sure that you have a chance to click on any links that are provided for more details. Once again, we're looking at the orientation unit overview. We click next. And do this after you've read everything within the unit and done all the assignments. Continue to move through each and every assignment and every reading by reading it all, clicking on next. This routine that you have will be called nexting. You'll be nexting through each assignment and each page, reading everything in the text, clicking on any links, watching any necessary videos until you are finished with the unit. Click until you finish through the orientation module. Be sure to do this on your own time and keep at least 7 hours in your schedule to complete the required homework in our class. You can do it. Make sure that you prepare well, and I trust that you will use this resource well. Congratulations! Now you can begin accessing the orientation module. Enjoy it and take your time. And if you have any questions, let me know. Bye.